Wow, check that out. You bought it just this way too. It was already like that. Bought it used off of Cragslist. That's really, really cool. You lucked out. What is your name?
Dean.
Dean?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And you've been on the road, you said, since October right
Since
now?
October. So I did 7 weeks. I got to Tucson a week before Christmas, or 2 weeks before Christmas, and I stayed with my sister. Flew back to Wisconsin for Christmas, New Year's. Then I flew to the Virgin Islands, and I was at weekend St. Croix, a weekend British Virgin Islands at Totola, and then 2 weeks on St. John's.
Cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And then I flew back here and picked up the van, spent a week with my sister. And that's a transit cargo van.
Okay.
It's the extended version. So it's the highest and tallest cargo van that they make.
Cool. And you built it all out yourself?
I did all the things other than the cutting the stuff in and installing.
Oh, as far as the windows.
Yeah, the windows and the ceiling fan. And he installed the solar on the back and hooked up the Blue Eddy to this. And then I just read, then he had a 12-volt fuse box, and I just, everything else is just wire 12-volt. In the Blue Eddy, you can just plug and play, so I've got an extension cord running this and that.
Yeah, I got just power stations in my truck, my box truck. So yeah.
Very nice.
How much power you got?
2,000 watt hours.
Nice.
Yeah,
That's nice. You got this
we
like a
need him for
center
our
because
music
mine's right
tonight.
in front of the bed, and you can't watch it from anywhere else. You know.
Oh, he's gonna pop. Yeah, you got on a swing. Yeah, there you
So
go.
it goes.
Your
Yeah.
insulation and everything
Yeah,
yourself.
everything's insulated
Damn.
behind it. I did all the framing. And
What did you use for this?
Yeah.
that's actually just a 4-foot particle or like tile board that you would use in your bathroom.
Okay.
So it's just a knockdown, and then where I put the screws in, I just mudded into them to the screws.
Oh, cool.
It's just
How long has it been like that?
What do you got for that?
How long have I been on the road?
No, how long has that ceiling been done like that? I'm just kind of curious if it's gonna hold up or.
Year and a half. This is one of the first things I did after the floor. I did the framing and the ceiling was first, and then I kind of did that. So this is just a kitchen vanity or a bathroom vanity
Okay.
that I put in. It's got easy open drawers. Gas stove here, the tank for that, and an electric cooler. Sink with just a little toggle pump on it.
Okay.
And underneath here is just jerry cans.
Okay.
Jerry cans.
That's your fresh water.
Fresh and things. And then my drinking water, I got a big igloo cooler here,
Okay.
and I just keep on dumping bags of ice in it.
Oh, gotcha. So it's cold water all the time.
Yeah, so I always got cold water.
Okay.
Bed is just it's a short queen, kind of fits across inside. I got storage front and back underneath. Like these drawers open up here. I've got a lazy Susan under here.
But you lay side to side, left to right on the vehicle. So, but you're tall.
I'm 6'4".
You
Yeah.
sleeping diagonal?
A little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Not a lot. If I curl up a little bit, I'm fine. But if I want to fully stretch out, I got to go a little bit.
That's what I was wondering.
But I can stand up in here at 6'4", which is
It's
That's
freaking
wonderful.
tall
Which
here,
is
man.
nice,
I
yeah.
love
That's what I
Yeah.
freaking want.
Space is amazing.
Um,
Very functional.
Yep.
Yeah, and then the back is
Slick.
just
I didn't
all
think about
storage.
that.
The Blue Eddy and the power stuff's here, and then I've got a big bin in here with all my camping gear, and then chairs and everything else. Cool. So this was kind of my trip. I went to South Padre, went all through Texas, and I went to Big Bend and Carlsbad, Guadalupe, White Sands, and then kind of over here now. So
Good route.
3 weeks in Texas, 3 weeks in New Mexico, and
How are these holding up?
good. So this system, there's a metal frame underneath here.
Okay.
So in the summertime, I pull these out, and then I've got 2 jump seats that go in there that I can haul the grandkids in.
Oh, cool.
So I got a couple extra seats.
Okay.
But for now, for when I'm on the road storage. So yeah, so there's a connector across the back.
Yeah, okay, I see a little pipe in the back.
Yeah,
okay.
that's kind of drilled down in here.
Right
So I haven't had them pop out on me yet. Everything stays in there pretty sturdy.
Are you on YouTube or anything?
No,
Because you have the name on the side of your van. I was just curious.
no, just
Okay.
Ramble. It's just Ramble On. I'm
Okay.
I'm a Zeppelin and Lord of the Rings fan. So.
Okay.
Because the song Ramble On is all about the Lord of the Rings.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
about Frodo.
Absolutely.
And then this here is toilet bed.
Okay.
So the
I knew
toilet
I had
goes
my
in.
head in the toilet.
Just a pump, hand pump toilet.
Okay, cool, cool.
Cassette type of thing.
Mostly for the women. I don't really use it.
It's
for,
nice hidden away like that too, though.
Yeah. Very cool.
Slick.
There's so much room in here.
This is awesome, man.
Yeah.